The MIA Italy collection is developing interestingly. First, let's focus on the familiar collection. This is Tango. A new finish has appeared here. Very interesting texture applied to white lacquer. Simultaneously, the lines are not all the same color, but rather varying shades. Due to this grid, an optical illusion is created, making the varnish appear to have a slightly different shade. He doesn't look Snow White, and naturally, the methodical finishing in trendy pink gold is also quite suitable in this case. This idea of combining different materials, natural materials, glossy lacquer, metal, has also migrated to the well-known Portofino collection, with which we are undoubtedly familiar. And now Portofinos are also made in a combination of natural stone and lacquer. In addition to the fact that the facades have a certain relief, such parametric design inserts made of natural stone have also appeared. The appearance is also quite elegant and fresh. Additionally, two completely new collections emerged during this time. One is named Balance, and it is a type of balance consisting of various shades. Diverse perspectives and various forms are evident. In this context, we can observe both geometric graphics and perspectives portrayed using arches as a visual element. On the other hand, these arches connect us to the aesthetics of Art Deco. In general, a truly unusual, ambiguous, yet very balanced collection due to the addition of these absolutely unique elements. Different meanings and completely different approaches. The functionality of this collection can also be tailored to your needs. There are different configurations of pencil cases with drawers or without drawers. Well, the internal structure of the sink cabinet is also quite unusual and distinctive. However, simultaneously, you also have the freedom to select the finishes, meaning the color combinations well, and naturally the metal details can be entirely distinct as well. Black matte or polished glossy will have a completely different appearance. Well, obviously it will still be dependent on the context, but I'm sure you'll find your balance. Another novelty that meets modern trends is the Kilim collection. In general, ethnicity is currently in the spotlight, and here it represents a form of processing of ethnic motifs in a contemporary manner. On one hand, we observe these patterns and drawings that are intrinsic to these carpets, which were actually prevalent and widespread from the Balkans to Persia. On the other hand, we observe quite fashionable colors, and they are referred to as very beautifully. This is a desert rose, this is the eastern sky. And the color of the metal finish can also be different. Accordingly, there is a huge field for various combinations. And if you add different countertops here, the choice becomes practically unlimited. I truly appreciate the fact that this ethnic history is interpreted in this particular location, not in a literal sense, but rather through the lens of a modern perspective and vision